Here's how you're going to make an extra $5,000 before summer, part 1. Make sure to save this video and hit that follow button so you don't miss the series, because this is how you're going to get ahead and have money to have so much fun this summer. You're going to go to Etsy.com and type in digital journal. You can see that this one has over 19,000 reviews. Let's go 19,000 times $12.41. That is over $235,000 they have made off of that one digital journal. We're going to create a seller account for Etsy so you can use Etsy to sell your own digital products. Now you're going to go into the Canva app and type in digital journals and look at all these you have to choose from. So you're going to pick one of these and you're going to make it your own. It's going to be cheaper than everyone else so that you can start getting some sales rolling in. And then once your sales start to roll in, if you want to raise your price a little bit, you can. But let's be real. You're going to spend a little bit of time making this, and then you have a digital product that you can sell forever. So you might as well market really cheap to get people to come in and start making purchases in your store, because that's going to get you ratings and that's going to push you up higher in the Etsy algorithm to get you more sales. Make sure to check out all my other videos for other ways to make money from home, and for an even easier side hustle, click the link in my bio to get more info about what I do working 2 to 3 hours a day from home.